So this is a spinach. Just wash them off. And I'm gonna use them up because I'm now waste them because at the end of the day, these are very healthy. Yeah, man, spinach. So we got the spinach and we have some blueberry. I got these in my fridge and I say, you know, why not use them and do something with them, Chef Ricardo. Right here, we have some apple left over from my previous recording. Alright. So this is a very healthy one right here, the apple. Gonna put that inside of it. Alright. So you guys can see exactly what's going on right there, you know? Yeah. Gonna get some lemon. Yeah. I'll put it inside of it with all the seeds. Now play with that. We gotta put the seeds them inside of it also. Good vibes. Don't know the thing already. When we are in the kitchen, we make things happen, you know what I mean? Yeah. Put the seeds them in it. I think I got some ginger I want to use. I'll put some fresh ginger in it. So I'm just gonna simple remove the skin from the ginger. All right. This is the ginger right here. Fresh ginger is a must. All right, now we're gonna use our favorite coconut water. All right, this is coconut water with the bits them in it. You might see it like this, but because you have the bits inside of it, all right? Now we're going to use a little bit of a honey because knowing that the honey is gonna definitely just bring in a nice flavor. I'm using organic honey. Some people don't believe in organic honey. Excellent. Now, put on the lid. And you know your thing already. I'm going to give you the recipes. Let's blend up this. Make some nice. That is what I'm talking about. Esther Delicious is in the building. Okay, now the beautiful thing is I'm gonna run it through my strainer. You don't have to, that is just option. All right, yeah, man, you don't have to, but yeah, man, this looks amazing. You don't have to strain it, but I think there's a lot of bits in it. So that's why I'm just running it through my strainer. Yeah. So you're gonna take your time and let it go down. Beautiful one, guys. I love it. Look at that. You're gonna see it when we do it, done with it, how it look. Look at that. So that look nice. You take your time and do it like this. You don't need to rush it and, you know. There's a lot of bits here, you see. This is good, don't get me wrong, you know, but sometimes I don't put everything inside of me one time, you know. Sometimes I hold back some. See, this is, you can eat this, you don't have to throw away this. Just to let you guys know that. All right, you don't have to pour it away. Wow, look at that. That is so delicious and amazing. So I'm going to pour it off to show you. Excellent. I might wonder why I did that. That's it, is right here. You guys can make this at home. It doesn't complicate it, and trust me, I know you guys will love this and an amazing, incredible drink, which I just share with you. If you love it, you know exactly what to do. Anyway, before we go any further, let's do this quickly. So this is a breaking news. There's a big, massive 50% off the book right now on Amazon. Go over to Amazon and get yourself a copy of my brand new book. All right, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. The t-shirt is in the description box. Also, Esther Delicious have our own book. You can check out our YouTube channel and support our guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Big up on yourself every time, and whatever you do, stay blessed. And I will be sooner with the most beautiful recipe in the world as I can, right here with Chef Ricardo Cooking. All right, so you can see this is it right here. I'm going to drink this, and it is amazing. Stay blessed, and just remember to get yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose. Bless upon yourself every time from Chef Ricardo. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.